Hey guys, Shanos here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about an amazing tool that I recently came across, and it's really going to change the affiliate marketing world, because this is a tool that is going to give you a lot of interesting things for free, and it's going to allow you to just start your online business as fast as possible and also really get ahead without having to pay for a while. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it's really hard to find free tools. I've talked about this stuff too, that when it comes to finding tools, you have to find stuff that are actually good, and usually the good stuff are the ones that you have to pay for. But this one is actually really interesting because it starts really good for free users, and there are some really good paid options as well. It's something incredible, and if you're looking to make some money, especially if you're trying to start off free and make some money as fast as possible, this is a free tool that you should definitely check out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about this and talk about it in this video, explain how the whole thing works. I'm going to talk about the funnel and how everything works step by step, so you can actually follow me and build your online business. All right, so let's get started. Let me take you to my computer and let's talk about this business strategy and how you can start earning affiliate commissions as fast as possible.
All right, guys. So I'm going to explain the strategy real quick, and then I'm just going to get into the whole creation part and explain how this strategy can just make you a significant amount of money. Now, one of the things that I want to talk about here as well is a tool that I recently came across. It's absolutely amazing. I mentioned that I want to talk about this, and this is something that I will talk a lot more about in future videos because it's just such an amazing tool that I love it very much. And if you're starting your online business and you just want to start with something free that is good enough to build your business at the same time, something that can become a premium product as well, so you can get all the more features and benefits of it. It's an amazing tool. All right, so we'll get into that when we get there. All right, so let me explain the strategy real quick. So the strategy here is that we're going to start with Pinterest traffic. Now, one of the things I like about Pinterest traffic is the fact that Pinterest traffic is very scalable if you do it right, and it's very easy to automate. That's the important part, because free, if you want to make money online for free, if you want to promote affiliate products, you're going to use free traffic, free tools, all that stuff. Now, one of the things you want to understand, which is very important, is free traffic is not usually scalable and it takes a lot of time. But with Pinterest and the strategy I'm going to explain, it is very scalable and you can actually do very well with it. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to start with Pinterest. So this is going to be Pinterest traffic. Okay. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to build a landing page. Now, recently Pinterest made a change where you cannot basically promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest. So you have to make a landing page. And it's really not that hard, and that's where this amazing tool Systeme.io is going to come in, and it's incredible. And again, it's one of those things that you want to use. All right, so that's where with the landing page creation come in, and again, that's free, so they have a free version and it works really great. Okay, so then from the landing page, we're going to send to our traffic to the affiliate link and collect leads and everything. Now, one of the things I want to talk about is when it comes to promoting a product and choosing a product to promote. Obviously, I've talked about this a lot in past. You have to choose the right product. I have videos about choosing the right product. I'm gonna link them for you, like up here. You can check them out. But yeah, that's a whole different video. But you want to choose a product that has a good landing page and a good affiliate tools and everything. In this case, I'm just going to go with University products. I'm just going to go ahead and basically find a product. The Gold Masterclass is the one I'm going to promote here. Okay, so that's my affiliate link. Now, another thing is the landing page. So that's where the system or something, I'm not sure exactly how you spell it, but it is a great tool. This is where this tool comes in. All right, guys. So this is a brand new account I just created, and again, you can start for free, and the free features are actually great. That's the thing about this, which I liked a lot. Let me actually explain something real quick. So when it comes to affiliate tools that you use, so there are some free tools that you can use that are not good enough, and in some cases there are some premium products or premium tools that give you a free trial or a free version, which usually are not good enough and they don't really help you to get anything done. It's just like there to upgrade you to the premium version of it, basically, right? But with this, the system.io, one of the things that this thing does is that it actually gives you good tools. So you can start for free, and eventually when your business grows and you start making money, you can actually upgrade to the premium versions. And again, the free version is as good as the premium. It's just that it gives you more capacity, the premium version. So it's really great, and I love this. You know, there's not many tools out there are doing this, and it's just absolutely amazing. So what I want to do is I want to build a simple funnel here, so we actually get this whole thing going. All right. So I'm just going to go to funnels here, and I'm just going to create a funnel. I'm just going to call this gold gold masterclass. Okay, just gonna call this Pinterest automation. There you go. So I can choose a domain. Now I have my own domain connected and integrated as well. That's another good thing. You can integrate your own domains, which is really cool. So I got my domain here, and also they give you an actual domain that you can use as well. So I'm gonna click build an audience. So it's just, we're gonna collect leads here, okay? And that's it. So we're just gonna click create, and it's gonna give you a lot of templates, and these are the steps, by the way, okay? So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and create a very simple step. I'm really not looking for anything fancy or complicated here, because again, with the Pinterest, you just want to keep the funnel really simple. All right. So let's go ahead and choose something that looks good at the same time. It's not too complicated. I'm just gonna go with this actually. So you can preview it if you want. It's just gonna pop up the page. Gonna show everything like this. I think it looks good. I personally love video backgrounds. It's just my thing. If you actually go to Reversity, you see that as well. I love video backgrounds. So I'm just gonna select that, and we're just gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna call this, it's fine, I'm not gonna change that, but I'm gonna change the name of it. Okay, I'm just gonna change it to start, so just, you know, it looks cleaner. So I'm just gonna save it. Now, one of the things we want to do is we want to go ahead and edit this. That's very important, right? So I'm just going to click this thing and go and edit. And we're going to change this content of it. And again, it's a great editor. You know, you can change everything and however you want it. It's so cool. Again, one of the things I'm planning, by the way, is I'm planning to make a full video about system.io. It's really cool. You know, the editor, I love it. It's just so easy to use, especially if you're new. At the same time, it gives you all these advanced options if you want to really take it to the next level. So I'm going to make a full video about this, okay, later on. But let's go ahead and do this. Let's actually give it a name here. I'm just gonna say earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to 3,000 or 4,000 per sell. So that is, you know, some basic stuff. Again, enter your name and email to watch the training video training. There you go. So just like that, you know, the whole thing is ready. Now, one of the things, again, which is really interesting about this system.io is the fact that you actually have an email marketing platform integrated inside, which is really cool. You don't even need your autoresponder or anything. It's really nice. You know, it makes your life much easier, and that's the whole point of this. It's all about just putting everything you need in one place, so you don't go anywhere. You just go to one site and do what you need to do. It's really cool, guys. I love this thing. So let's go ahead and do this. Now, one of the things I want to do is I want to change the button and what it does really. So I want to first of all make sure that it goes to a URL. So I'm just going to click action when the button is clicked. I'm just going to say open URL. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy my affiliate link and drop it right here. Alright, so that's my affiliate link. I don't want to open a new window. I want to open in the same window, so make sure you have that. No follow, sure. Not important really with the buttons. Now I want to change the text. That's another important thing I want to do. So I want to say watch the video. Watch the training video. There you go. So let's make the font a little bit bigger. Just like that. And you can actually change the views as well, see how it looks on phone. And I want to make it a little bit nicer. There you go. Watch the training video. Okay, so let's go back to the computer view, and I just want to change this to, you know, hate spam. There you go. So just like that, you know, something clean. I could change the color as well. I want to change the color to something more cleaner, you know, like maybe blue. I like blue generally for landing pages. So yeah, so just like that, save it, and this is good to go. And let's go ahead and go back. So our opt-in page is ready. Now with the thank you page, we don't actually need a thank you page again, because we're sending people directly to the Fleet link, right? So I don't need to do a thank you page, but if I do, same process, you know, just like, you know, you can select a template and start building it if you want, or build from scratch. That's just up to you. So I'm just going to delete the thank you page, and just like that, my funnel is ready. Let me just click that and pull it up. There you go, guys. See, guys, so we got our title and everything ready. So we're just gonna, you know, start advertising this. Very simple. So that being said, let's go ahead and go talk about the next steps. Now we have our page ready, right? Now we need to actually start driving traffic. So let's go back here, take a look. So traffic is the important part here. So we built this part, which is the opt-in page and the link, right? So let's talk about traffic. So I want to go to Pinterest, all right? So this is where you want to get the traffic. Now you want to automate Pinterest. That's the most important thing here, guys. So to automate Pinterest, you need to first of all get a software called Buffer. Now they have a free file. I recommend getting it. And again, this is going to pay for itself. This is one of the things. It's like System.io. Again, it's a free version. They have a free version like System.io. But again, you can upgrade, and then, you know, it pays for itself really. So Buffer, you know, that's the one I recommend. It automates your Pinterest posting. So you want to open a Pinterest account, and then you want to use Canva. Okay, let's go ahead and check Canva. So you want to use Canva to start creating pins. So I'm just gonna, you know, search for pins here, and just gonna start choosing templates and start building the pins. And one of the things I recommend, guys, again, you can just start choosing the template, edit it, and then eventually, you know, when you edit, you can just export it from here. I'm just wait for a load. There you go. So you can just export it, download it as PNG, and use Buffer to automate your Pinterest. Now, I'm not gonna get into that because that's really a simple part of it. Now, one of the things I recommend, guys, okay, is to post or when you use Buffer, at least schedule 5 to 10 pins every single day. That's very important. If you want to make serious money on Pinterest, you need to be active all the time. So you need to post like 5-6 every single day, or at least 5-6. So that way you kind of build your audience on Pinterest and start, you know, driving some serious traffic. So this is what you should do, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna leave a link to the System.io or Systeam.io. You know, it is really amazing, guys. It's one of the things that if you're starting your affiliate marketing business for free, you should definitely check it out. You know, if you don't want to spend too much money, and also you want to get a tool that is going to give you the good stuff that you need to start your business for free, and eventually you can upgrade later on. You know, it's such an amazing thing. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description. Check it out for yourself.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please consider subscribing, and also check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to the link where you can sign up for this really incredible tool and access it and build your business. You know, this is something that I recently discovered, and I'm going to be talking about it a lot because it's just one of the things that I absolutely love, and I think that this is a very big help to a lot of people who are starting their business. So I'm going to definitely talk about this thing a lot, all the time. Right? So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. Let me know if you have any questions about it. You know, I'm starting to kind of use this myself a lot. I'm kind of you know, building a lot of funnels in there, so it's really cool. Let me know if you have any questions. You know, if there are a lot of good tutorials in there as well, so you can, you know, kind of check it out for yourself. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to this tool. You can sign up for it. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm going to be making more videos this week and probably next week and the weeks after that about this stuff. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.